So it's 58 degrees this fine Saturday morning. Jump starting the crawler. I've cranked it for a total of like 20 seconds altogether, just in the time that I could, and all I've gotten is a little bit of smoke. This thing is so cold-blooded that it's ridiculous. But anyway, it's been charging for another 5 minutes since the last time I cranked it, so let's see if it starts. Clutch in, it's in neutral, press the button, see what happens.